Finger alert. Oh! Serving in the Army in 2012, Jeremy met Ashley. They got married, had baby Sam. Jeremy got medically released from the Army, and this brings us up to today. It's nearing the end of day one of rifle season. I'm out in the field, so I'm using the muzzleloader. I had 3 does and a 4 corn, a couple hundred yards away, but like I said, I got the muzzleloader, so I only got 100 grains of powder in it, so I'll probably put 50 in, or an extra 50 for 150 tomorrow, and maybe move my blind a little bit towards where they came from there to get a little bit closer, maybe for tomorrow. Last one comes out in the next 5 minutes, then it's over. So check out our new little mini wood stove.
Yeah, it's cute. It's tiny.
So this is going to go in the shed we're converting to a cabin right now.
Yes.
If you haven't been here, that cabin, that was a shed. It's like still kind of being used as a tool shed.
But we're going to be using that as like a warming shack while we build our cabin.
Yeah, it'll also be like a little gas cabin or whatever, this one. Right?
Yeah.
So we almost have the exterior done on that. I'm right in the smoke here.
Yeah.
Then we'll be going on to that one. But this little one's going to be going in there. We're going to put like a little table in there, a bed, you know. It's going to be a great little tiny cabin.
Yeah, it's awesome. And this is a great little tiny wood stove. So the cabin we're using right now is only 10 by 12, so this will heat it up perfectly, keep us warm on those cold winter days while we're building the bigger cabin.
Yeah, it's going to be perfect.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a good little cabin all the time. Like if there's, you know, I get a buddy up here hunting with us or anything like that.
And you can cook on this. That's real cool.
Yeah.
So while we're in there, like you could wake up in the morning, have the fire going, boil some water for coffee or fry an egg. Pretty cool. It's little, but it can still do all the same things. So right here, you can take the top circle piece off and right that. So we just popped that off. Just sits on there. Pop it off. And you can throw a pot like to boil water or cook some soup, or you can put a frying pan right over it and cook over that.
It's going to be so handy.
Yeah, it's going to be really cool.
If you look right up there where our daughter's sitting, she's having a snack in what will be our new cabin right out front.
Yeah.
20 by 30. So that's what we're going to be building. And this one here's going in that little one right there.
So this will be perfect.
We're in Canada and the winter's coming, so.
Yeah. So it'll warm us up and give us a source of cooking.
Yeah,
which is
it's gonna
pretty
be sweet.
awesome.
And right on the front here, this is the little vent. So you can close that or open it up. Little glass so you can watch your fire. Cool little handle here. Look at that. This thing's so cool. And we got it, I think it was called Magic Metal Shop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not associated with them in any way whatsoever. We bought this because we wanted to put it in there. But we thought it was so cool, so I'll tell you about it. But we talked to the guy there, and there's these legs on it. They fold up so you can move it around if you're using it like
to carry with you places.
Hunting in a tent or something. Mm-hmm. And then we got them to drill little holes here, so we're going to actually fasten ours to the bottom of that cabin there. Mm-hmm. So it's going to be pretty cool. And we're going to put this thing in here real soon.
Yeah, you're just supposed to do the first fire outside and let it kind of burn off.
Yeah, exactly.
All the stuff. So that's why we're doing it out here right now today.
You just break it in.
Yeah, and that's why we're not cooking on it either.
Yeah. So we're going to burn it for about an hour and just let it kind of seal itself up. Right?
Yeah.
Break the stove in. And then it's going to be going in there. But all we have left to do in here, we just have to do some fascia board. And then we're doing the corner boards. Or fascia metal and the corner boards over on the cabin here. That's where we're at.
Yeah.
And then ready to put this in. So that'll be happening here real soon.
Then we're going to put some insulation in it and board it up, and it'll be all done. It'll be a cozy little cabin.
Yeah. So we just wanted to share this thing because it's super cool and it was way more affordable than some other ones that we found. So we'll put the link down if you're interested. Again, we're not affiliated in any way. It was just like an affordable wood stove that you could use in a bunch of different scenarios, camping, hunting, tiny cabin, trailer, whatever.
Yeah.
You know, fishing shack.
Yeah, because it's portable. It's so cool.
Yeah, it'd be cool for stuff like that. So, so again, yeah, we purchased it and it was a decent price, so you can check it out. But before we get out of here, we're going to show you what we got going on over here.
So if you haven't seen already, here is the screw piles foundation for our new cabin that we're going to start building real soon.
Yeah, it's 20 by 30 with a 6-foot deck. That's going to be a covered in deck. And we're just about ready to build the beams for it. So we're going to get the wood in here for those beams and get those built up here soon. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and like, comment, share, all those things.
Yeah.
Because we're going to be building this brand new off-grid cabin.
Yeah,
so
from the ground up.
it's going to be cool, yeah.
Yeah.
We've done it before, and well, we're doing it again.
So yeah, we're super excited to build it, so follow along with us.
Yeah, we'll see ya.
See you in the next one.